Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Yeah, I,
Ambadas Joshi, having been appointed as Lokayukta under the Goa Lokayukta Act 2011, do hereby swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India by law established, and that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability and knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will. Thank you.
welcome.
Namaskar.
First one is yeah. Please sit.